Super Bunny Barney's Speedrun Mayhem. Hello friends! Today we will watch a special race with friends.
Whoosh! Yellow Bunny is here! Bunny loves going fast!
Whoosh! I am the fastest.
Slowly, Turtle the tortoise walks. What is in his backpack? Tweet! Referee Pixel is here. It's time for the Golden Apple Race.
Ready, set, go! I am number 1. Whoosh!
1, 2, 3, go! Bunny is running very fast. Turtle walks slowly, step by step, but never gives up. Just then, a fork in the road appeared in front of Bunny. Bunny decided to take the fast shortcut.
This way will be faster. Whoosh!
Turtle looks at the map to find the way. He walks slowly on the safe path.
Ouch! Why is it stuck? No!
Oh no, Bunny got stuck in the thorns. The shortcut is too prickly. Turtle looks at the pretty flowers. Gulp, gulp. He drinks fresh water. Bunny is stuck in the thorns. Now Bunny cannot run anymore.
Ooh, help me. I was too fast.
Wow! Turtle found Bunny. Turtle took out scissors from his backpack. Snip, snip. Turtle helped Bunny. Now Bunny is free.
Thanks, Turtle. You're the best.
Oh no! There is a very high cliff ahead. How can we climb this? What's in Turtle's backpack? Wow, it's a long ladder.
Heave ho! Almost there.
1 step, 2 steps, step by step. Turtle and Bunny work together. Finally arrived. Look over there. It's the shining golden apple. Congratulations! Turtle is number 1. It's all thanks to his preparation.
Turtle wins. Tweet! Congratulations, Turtle. I'll prepare well just like you.
Bunny claps. He congratulates Turtle. Now Bunny knows preparation is important. Turtle shares the golden apple. Sharing a sweet apple makes it even tastier.
Let's eat together. Yum, yum, yum.
Friends, you did a great job today. Let's meet again tomorrow. Bye-bye.